Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a recent update on Instagram. How to enable Notes notifications on your PC. This feature can keep you informed about the latest from your friends and those you follow. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the new features. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon typically resembles 3 horizontal lines. Give it a click to reveal more options. From the menu that pops up, choose Settings. This will lead you to a new window where you can customize your Instagram experience. In the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This section allows you to manage how and when you receive updates from Instagram. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll find various options regarding what notifications you want to receive. Now, look for the category labeled Notes. To enable notifications for Notes, simply choose On. By doing this, you'll start receiving alerts whenever your friends post new notes. And there you have it. Your Instagram Notes notifications are now enabled on your PC. You won't miss a beat when it comes to staying updated with your friends' thoughts and ideas. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram effectively. Thanks for watching.